speaking skills, remove my hesitation, and do public speaking more so that I could just stand up and talk to people on a stage, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you. And I would request one more thing, that if you are looking for something specific in this session, then that also you let me know in your introduction. So Aryan, are you looking for something specific, or you have joined to understand the pathways?
Yeah, I have joined to, like, I didn't understand it last time correctly, so I joined again.
Okay. Ayush, would you like to go next?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello. Yeah. Voice clear?
Yes, your voice is clear.
Okay. Myself Ayush Chirania, and I'm currently I am working from HDFC Bank at a position of credit manager, and I have joined Toastmaster because of improving my skills, communication skills, public speaking, and I have already joined Toastmaster in January 2021, and recently I have joined again.
Ayush, I think we lost you.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have joined Toastmaster in January 2021, and currently I have joined again Toastmaster Club for improving my all skills, etc. Thank you.
Thank you, Ayush. Next, Ronak.
Good evening everyone. Good evening, Iksha ma'am. So I'm Ronak Rajpurohit, as working in as a MEP engineer in Pinnacle Infotech Solutions. So I have joined recently Toastmaster Club. So I wanted to improve my communication and leadership skills to it. So I'm here.
Welcome, Ronak. Thank you. Next is Saloni.
Yeah, hi. I am Saloni. I am basically from Nilwara, Rajasthan. Currently, I am pursuing MBA from Shri Balaji Pune, and I want to join Toastmasters to improve my soft skill. Remove my
Sorry.
Yeah, Saloni, please go ahead.
To improve my soft skills, remove my hesitation by addressing large audience, and conquer my stage fear.
Welcome, Saloni.
Thank you.
Samyak, can we help you?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Samyak. I'm currently pursuing CFA, and my purpose of joining Toastmasters is to enhance my communication and leadership skills.
Welcome. And Somendra?
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. This is Pumendra here. I belong to Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm currently working as a software consultant in an IT firm, and I've been part of Toastmasters since 2019 to 2020, and after that, I rejoined recently. So, I I I'm currently looking to improve my presentation and leadership skills and to remove my hesitation while speaking. And other than that, from today's session, I'm expecting to learn more about the different earning path available on Pathways. So, yeah.
Welcome, Somendra. So, just one correction for all. There is no sir and ma'am that we use in Toastmasters. We address each other with Toastmaster. So, I am Toastmaster Eksha. Okay. So, now without further delay, let's start the session. So this is a basic about pathways, and we will learn what is pathways in the subsequent slides. So this session is divided into 4 parts. In the first session, we will learn about the pathways basics, then how to log in pathways and how to choose path. And third session will be how to prepare speeches. And the last session will be about your marking your speech completion and your level completion and requesting online evaluations. Okay. So let's start with the first session, pathways basics. So what is pathways? See, when you join Toastmasters, most of us, we have the goal of improving our communication and leadership skills. So in Toastmasters, it is not just a random way of speaking and you just come to the meeting and speak on any topic. No, they have defined a very systematic program so that you can measure your progress, you can understand the concepts of leadership and what are the elements of good communication. And this whole program, they call it as pathways. So it is nothing but an education program designed to help you grow as a speaker and leader. Now, pathway has 3 elements. First is the path, then level, and the project. So let's see what are these. In case of any question, you can raise your hand or you can just ask in between. Okay? So a path is a way or course you choose to achieve your goals in Toastmaster. Like as you all mentioned, some people want to improve their presentation skills, some member want to improve their leadership skills. So Toastmaster is giving you a customized plan so that you can target your specific goal. For example, there are 11 paths in pathways, and all these paths are different in terms of how they help you achieve your goal. Like first path is dynamic leadership. Second is effective coaching. So you can understand from the name itself that what you are going to achieve with these paths. Like with effective coaching, you're going to become a better coach, a better mentor. Engaging humor for people who want to improve their human skills. Innovative planning, leadership development, motivational strategies, persuasive influence, presentation mastery, strategic leadership, team collaboration, and visionary communication. So you get these options to select from, and then you can move ahead in your Toastmasters journey. So when you select your path, something like this opens up in front of you. This is nothing but the your path. So your path comprises of 5 levels. Okay. So when we are going to navigate the pathways in Toastmaster website, then we will get a better clarity. But for basic understanding, our path is consist of 5 levels, and similar to how you hike a mountain, you hike your path. So when you clear your first level, then second level, then third level, and total of 5 levels. And to access all your resources, you come back to Basecamp. So Basecamp is a place where you get all your resources and material, and you can see your progress and everything. Now, each level consists of 2 to 3 projects. Okay, so as you complete all the projects in a level, you complete one level. For example, in level 1, there are 3 projects: icebreaker, evaluation, and research. So when you give your speeches based on these projects, then your level gets completed. Okay. Now we will try some hands-on to see how to log in and choose your path. So this is the completion of your section first of the session. Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So this is the URL for Toastmasters website, toastmasters.org. And I hope you all have got your login credentials. Is there anyone who has not got their login credentials? All of you have got. Okay, so first we will log in the website from here. Yes, who is
I
it?
didn't get like I didn't get the login credentials.
Saloni, do you have your
Yeah.
registered email ID from your previous
Yes,
joining
yes,
at
yeah, yeah,
Toastmasters?
yeah,
So
yeah.
just try logging it with that email ID. If it doesn't work, then let us know. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you have to do for login here is all of you might have received your registered email ID or member ID. So just input your login ID, and for password you manually set it by saying forgot password, and then it will give you a link to reset your password. Okay, since I have already have a password here, so I cannot do this with my email ID. But I hope you have understood what we are trying to say here. Okay, so once your member ID and password is set, then you can go for a login. So once you log in, you can see this will show your name, welcome, with your name, and here you can see pathways. Okay, so you click on it, and now we will choose a path. So select choose a path. Now it will ask you select your path language. So by default we choose it as English. Then how would you like to access your material? So click on select digital resources, because we are not using any printed material. Then it will ask you how could you select your learning path. So there are two ways to select your path. First is by viewing all the path options. So let us explore the first option, view path options, and continue. So now you can see all 11 paths are open in front of you. And each path, there is a small description. For example, in dynamic leadership, negotiate and manage change, leadership skills for any situation. So now you can decide based on these descriptions which path you want to choose. But suppose you are still confused, you are not able to make a decision, you want to read in detail. So you can select learn more about the dynamic leadership path. So it will show you in detail what are the skills that you are going to learn, what is this path about. Okay? And if you want to see view all projects in this path, what all projects are there in this path, then you can share like this. So now all 5 levels are open in front of you: level 1, level 2, level 3, 4, and 5. So in all the paths, first level is common. It will comprise of icebreaker, evaluation and feedback, and researching and presenting. And level 2 onwards, the projects will be customized and different for different paths. Okay. Now I go back, and if I want to see say any other part, say team collaboration. So see, the first level is common: icebreaker, evaluation and feedback, researching and presenting. And second level onwards, my projects change. For example, in level 3, you can see successful collaboration. So because this part talks about team collaboration, so there will be projects which will be linked to team collaboration. So accordingly, which skill you want to develop, accordingly you can choose your path. Now, suppose you are not able to make a decision uh, by reading about the paths. So there is a second option to choose your path, which is you can take an online assessment. Now, what this assessment will do is it will ask you some psychometric questions based on your interest. For example, select 3 topics you are interested in learning about. So, suppose you have selected interpersonal communication, leadership, negotiation. Then again, topics which are the most important topics that you. So this is like a 15 to 20 minutes assessment wherein you will be asked such type of questions, and you can take this assessment, and once you complete this assessment, then it will recommend you 3 paths based on your preferences. So you can go ahead and choose from that path. But again, if you feel like the recommended path is not something that you like, so you can again come back and choose from this path. Okay, so this is the first step towards your pathways journey, which is to select a path. Okay, so any questions? If you don't have any question, then I'll ask some questions.
Good evening, Toastmaster Riksha. I am Ajay Kumar Yadav.
Good evening, Ajay.
I want to know that what means on which behalf we decide the means pathway, just because of our interest, or is there anything other criteria in Toastmasters that we can choose this?
So the paths are decided based on your goal of joining the Toastmaster. Means why you have joined Toastmaster. If you have joined it to develop your leadership skill, or if you think that I want to become a mentor, I like coaching people, so you want to become a coach. So that is totally as per your preference.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah. So I hope you all could understand the steps for choosing the path, because next we will go on preparing the speeches.
Good evening, Toastmaster Riksha. I have a doubt.
Yeah, good evening.
Like I have already given icebreaker speech before in 2018 or 19. So I had to repeat it like now also.
So Saloni, in that case, you just access your Basecamp and see what it is showing you. I think it will show you as your level 1 complete, means L1 P1 as complete. So in that case, you won't need to repeat it.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Hello, Team Iksha.
Yes.
Team Iksha.
Yes.
Can I request you to show me that slide where you have categorized P1, L1, because I missed it. Sorry for that.
So Ajay, I will share it on the group. Okay, I'll share
Thank
the
you.
slide on the
No
group.
problem.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, no problem.
Okay, so let's proceed to the next section, which is about how to prepare your speeches. So now you have chosen your path. Now you can go to pathways, go to Basecamp. So Basecamp is a place where you will find all your resources, where you can come back and access anything that you want in pathways. Okay, so whichever path you choose will show here. So in my case, I have chosen 2 paths. So it is showing it here. So see, this is my path, presentation mastery. I will click on open curriculum. Okay. So this is my level 1. In level 1, you can see there are 3 projects: icebreaker, evaluation and feedback, researching and presenting. Okay. So I click on icebreaker and I say launch, because this is the speech that I want to give. So launching takes a while. Yes. So once you select your speech and you mark launch, then something like this opens up. This is about how to, this is a complete guide to how you can prepare your speech. Okay, so this is the introduction. So your icebreaker is level 1 P1, level 1 project 1, which we call it as L1 P1. Okay, so this is your very first speech, which is about introducing yourself. Now, when you want to prepare your speech, then you don't need to, fuss over how I'm going to prepare, where I'm going to find the topic and everything. Everything is there given in this guide. So you can see that it will tell you what you need to do in this project, what is the time limit. Okay. Then this is a project checklist. So you will get a lot of PDFs on the way and you keep downloading it. So see, this project checklist is about what you need to do in this project. Then you can navigate this guide through these arrows, these forward arrows. Now in all the project guides, you will get something like this, which is assess your skills before. So see, what is the objective of icebreaker speech? It is for the member to learn the basic structure of public speech. So assessment is asking you that before giving the speech, what is your skill set about basic structure of the speech. So this is a self-assessment which you need to do to measure your progress. So suppose you have not prepared your speech, you have not given any speech, before that you have to give this assessment. So there are basic questions like I am confident and calm when speaking in front of groups. So you have to assess it, give an honest assessment because it is not going to be checked by anyone. So you can give as per your understanding. I understand the structure of basic speech like this. Okay, so you give your assessment and then proceed ahead. Now you can see how you can use this navigation window. Then there are some videos on how you can prepare about icebreaker. Then you see there is a worksheet. So let's download this worksheet. So see, you can write about yourself. So it is giving you a guide as to how to introduce yourself, how to write your speech, what points you can mention in your speech. Okay, so this will help you to formulate your thoughts in a structured way. Okay, now we go back to the guide. Now it is ask you how to organize your speech, like choose an interesting topic, choose an opening, then a body and a conclusion to give it a structure. So everything is there in this guide. So if you go through this guide in detail, I think 50 to 60% of your speech queries will be resolved, and rest you can do it with your mentor. Okay. It is also showing you techniques, how you can prepare. You can rehearse with your friends. You can record yourself. You can speak in front of the mirror. What are the elements you need to take care of? Timing, pacing, organization, review. So you can read it. Just don't do forward like I am doing. You should read all of it. Okay. How to overcome your anxiety of speaking, public speaking. So it's a very detailed and useful resource. And at the end, you can also do one thing, which is print my project. So what it will do, it will give you entire project in the form of PDF. You can download it and you can read it on the go anywhere. Now there is one more form which is called as evaluation resource. So this form you have to download and share it with either Vice President Education or your evaluator before you are giving the speech. Okay. So you can also read your evaluation form and see what is required from you when giving the speech. So now when you have given your speech in the club, like you have to schedule your speech with the Vice President Education, then you have given your speech, come back to this guide, and now again those set of questions will be asked to you and you have to answer it. For example, after giving the speech, did your skills improve? So you can answer, you can assess yourself. Okay. And then when you navigate to the last window, it will tell you, congratulations, your project is complete. And once your project is complete, your level progress will be shown here. Now, right now it is 0, but it will move to 25%. And your overall path progress will show here. So it is 0, it will become, I think, 5% or something. So this is how you prepare your speeches. For all the speeches, you have to do the same thing. For example, if you are doing researching and presenting, you mark it launch, and again, the similar window will open. It will guide you on how to prepare for this speech. Okay. So any question? I know it's quite overwhelming, but just to make you aware about what tools and resources you have.
Hello, Toastmaster Iksha. I have one question.
Yes, Rona.
As you told that you have selected 2 pathways at the same time. So have you completed first one and then selected the other second pathway, or you are doing it simultaneously?
So Ronak, it's like there was due to the pandemic, there was a offer by Toastmaster International, which was offering me the second path for free. Otherwise, it's if we can select second path anytime, but it's chargeable. I think it's $20 per path if you want to select second path. So first path is free for all the members, and second path is chargeable, and you can proceed with both the paths simultaneously.
Okay, so if we complete first part successfully, then we have to pay for the next part.
Yes, until they offer something like this again.
Okay. Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, so this is how you prepare for your speech, and don't worry if you're not able to understand any of the point, because I'll share a detailed presentation and you can also come back with your queries. But just get an idea of what resources you have and what this guide is, how this guide is helpful to you. So the next part of this session is marking your speech as complete and marking your level as complete. So we have seen how we mark our speeches as complete. You take an after assessment and your speech gets complete. Okay? But don't just mark it complete here, and you also need to give the speeches. So no cheatings. So once you give all these speeches as complete, you mark them as complete, then this tab gets activated. Level 1 completion, presentation mastery, and similar kind of tab will appear here. So you have to then mark it as complete. So when you mark your level complete, not the project, when you mark your level complete, then it goes to Vice President Education for approval. Then he marks it as approved, and then your level is marked as complete. So then you can proceed to level 2. You can see that there are different projects in level 2. Then level 3. Level 3 onwards, you have some elective projects also. So you get a list of different projects and you can choose to do any 2 of them. Similarly for level 4 and level 5. Okay. Now there is something called as triple crown. I'll just show you what it is. So if in a one Toastmaster year, that is July to June, if you complete your level 3, then you get a triple crown. This is a badge and a certificate like this. But otherwise, these projects are self-paced. So you can choose to complete them at any time. But if you complete it in one given year, then you get a triple crown. Now we will learn how to request evaluations online. So we go to home. So now here you can see that there are 3 tabs: my feedback, my badges, and my documents. Let's see what are these. Suppose you have given a speech and you want feedback, recorded feedback from members. So you can ask, say, you want to ask my feedback. Cool. Somendra. Okay, and you can write here that please give feedback on my speech. And then you can post. So this request will go to these members and they can share their comments online also. Second is whatever badges you earn, it will appear here in my badges. So these are the badges that I have earned. So it is showing. Third is you can also keep all your resources online, which comes handy when you file your DTM. This is called Distinguished Toastmaster. It's a topic in itself. I'll touch it briefly if we'll have time. So suppose your level 1 evaluation form, you can store it here. You can get your evaluation from your evaluator and store it here, or you can store your speech. So everything you can store online. So these are also some of the resources that we have. So I think we have come to the conclusion of our Pathways Basics session. And just to give you a revision, what we have discussed today. So we have discussed Pathways Basics, how to log in and choose path, how to prepare speeches, how to mark your speech and level completion, and request online evaluations. So any questions so far?
Hello, Toastmaster Iksha. I have one question. I have attended the meeting 2 or 3 times, and I'm seeing that for every speaker, there is an evaluator which evaluates him on certain criteria. So all these evaluation are get marked in that on the website.
So it doesn't get
Particularly for
marked automatically. The evaluator will give you evaluation during the meeting, and then you can request them to fill it in the form, or you can request the evaluation through email or WhatsApp. But right now the current process that is being followed is they give you evaluation during the meeting and you note it down yourself. But I would recommend that you hand out your evaluation form. You can't do it physically right now, so you email it to them or you WhatsApp it to them and ask them to fill it in the evaluation form itself and store it on the Toastmaster website. So it will help you to get your resources at one place.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah, any other question? So I'm just inputting another meeting invite if in case this meetings get closed and some questions are left, then we can join another meeting session. In the chat box, I've mentioned the meeting. Please note it down. Or I'll also WhatsApp. No problem. Do we have any other question? If no other question, then I would request Toastmaster Ajay that you join on the second link so I can explain you what you missed during the initial session. Okay.
Okay, Toastmaster Iksha, I'll join. Best.
Yeah.
Thank you, Iksha.
Okay, so
Thank you.
yeah, so just let me know if any queries there. Okay.